Hello everyone, it's me known as Taiba Faisal and I still don't know what to call myself, but welcome back to Galaxy 103 OMG. So today I'm gonna be playing this game called Longest Answer Wins, and yeah, I know my video is very late. I'm literally so busy I don't even know what to do, but oh my god, the music was loud. Wait a second, I'm gonna try to mute the music first. Okay, so I closed the music so we can play now. Okay, name something you do. Okay. And the longest answer wins. And I know I'm very late, but I don't have time. That's why. So, yeah, I guess, yeah, I'll try to make more videos. But till then, sorry. Okay. What do I keep in my wallet? That's the thing. I don't have a wallet, but okay. I think most of the people obviously would keep it in their wallet. Okay, wait. I'm gonna. I don't know if this is annoying or not. I'm gonna just do that. Popular car color. Let's go for black. Cause why not? And I think this blue tower girl and I are tied. Okay, she chose silver and I chose black. December, cause yeah, I'm playing this game in December, so why not put December? It's December, guys. New Year is coming. New Year is coming. I'm so excited, and it just like yesterday was Jin's birthday. Kim Soo-jin from BTS. I don't know if you guys know. Obviously everyone knows, I think. But yeah, it was his birthday, and I was very excited. I put it. Wait, yeah, it was actually a pretty weird because it was like the last birthday. Then he's gonna go into army, like military. But I hope he's safe and yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna go with book because I don't remember the spelling of sharpener. Okay. Yeah, I'm done, but I I am first right now. Other than talking, uh, phone maybe. Okay. I have actually played this game before. I have won 5 times, as you can see. Plum. Yeah, but okay, the water is rising. Okay, I'm gonna die. I feel scared. I'm so sorry for the late video again. Yeah, I'm very sorry. Okay, let's just go for that. I know my videos are boring. I was thinking of posting a vlog with my cousin, but we didn't have time to film it at all. And her, what is the best place to study? Why not a classroom? Because like obviously we go there to study, or the library, or the library. My angles, sheep. Yeah, I could have put sneakers. Okay, so yeah, all messed up. Okay. Name something you. Okay, I am gonna put sneakers. Am I cheating while using like this thing on top? Am I cheating like when I get words on here? Is this cheating? I don't know. Is it? What do you think this? I'm scared. She's close to water. Water. What melts when it gets warm? I'm gonna put ice cream. It does melt. I'm not gonna put ice or anything, but she put it something. Wait, I have to sneeze. Shukr alhamdulillah. I had to sneeze. And if I don't really have any fans right now, but if you guys want anything, just comment. Um, I'm not gonna say this because I am not allowed to say this word, but okay. Specify a sound you may heard in a farm. I've never went to a farmyard. I want to go to a village. I think the video. Oh, I won! Oh my god, I won! Oh my god, I won! I think the video is getting boring. Should I play something else? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna play this game because why not? I'm just gonna play one more round because the video is getting longer. Let's go for easy mode. I am pretty bad at normal and hard. That's why I'm going for the easy one. Why is she so? We're just two people. Why are two of us? Okay. Should I? Psychology. Should I? I don't know. I just put in mathematics for them. Which class are you guys in? Comment down below. And if you have any idea of any game I should play, then tell me. Does it count as an animal? It does. She's gonna win. Care Bear 9198 is gonna win. She is gonna win. She's doing way better than I am. Hmm. I might think. Mm, mm, that's longer than what. My mother's gonna call me for food, lunch. So I'm gonna just do this round and close my video. Why do I feel like it's very, 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 very boring video? What does dog do? They they bark, right? What do they? What does dog do? They I don't know. I don't have a dog. They bark. They're nice. I like dogs, but I like cats. No? Cats are more cute. I think. Not king favorite. Okay. Something I can climb. Ladder. Should I put stairs? I don't know. Just put it ladder for now. She is putting not. Oh, she put something. Okay. Okay. So I do this angle mostly to see what they put, but I don't know if this angle is good for you. Oh my god, popcorn. I ate a lot of popcorn yesterday. For so like I shouldn't have, but I did. I ate a lot of popcorn. Okay, next question is a game you see people playing in a park. Okay, badminton. Because we played that in the party. Oh, I could have put hide and seek. Can I now? Hide and can I? Can I? Can I? No. Is she either me show? No, she's not. I thought. Okay. They. I don't know. What do they? This. I don't know. Laughing. I would have. I got just laugh, not laughing, cause yeah. Should I put clapping? CLAPIN. Yeah, it was longer. Mm, okay, I thought it was saying snake. What is the spelling of ketchup? I'm gonna cheat. Ketchup. Okay, I didn't have enough time. Okay. What are the spelling of ketchup? Yeah, I'm so dumb. Name something you do. Name something that you do when you get home. They're calling me. Are you? Okay, I'm gonna leave this like after this round. I think it's like ice cream. Cause I like ice cream. I love ice cream. What does that mean? Okay, they're talking in the chat. Do that. She's so much higher than me. Okay, I'm done. I'm so lost. I lost. At least I want. Okay, Disney. I have not watched any. I don't know. Maybe also. I have not watched any Disney movies. I don't watch movies. I do watch movies, but the horror ones only. I don't. Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. After this round, I don't know. Okay, I lost. Oh, okay, I'm lost. I lost. I lost. Did she put anything? She didn't. Wee! I died. Okay. I would like make this video longer, but because my mother is calling me to eat lunch, because I just came back to I just came back from school. So I think I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Good. Bye. Okay. No, I didn't use this. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna see you all next time. Goodbye. Yeah, whatever. Bye.